Dear friends, how to create a perfect soccer field. How to create two-color turf in a soccer field. There are many people wondering and wanting to learn about this issue. In today's video, we will learn together how people construct a soccer field turf. Prepare the ground. The first step in the soccer field construction process is preparing the ground. To have a perfect lawn, ground treatment is extremely important. A good substrate needs to be flat, weed-free, and have good drainage. If you are renovating an existing yard, it is necessary to remove the old grass and soil, then replace it with a new layer of soil to ensure the yard meets the requirements. Construction of drainage system. Once the ground has been leveled, next is digging the trench and installing the drainage system. Once the drainage pipes are in place, fill the trenches with gravel and level the surface. This drainage system prevents the yard from being flooded and maintains ideal moisture for the grass. Install a heating system. One of the important factors to maintain grass growth is the heating system. Today's modern heating systems can not only warm the entire yard, but can also regulate the temperature in different areas. With temperature sensors, this system helps grass grow evenly and can melt snow in winter. Automatic watering system. Next, installing an automatic watering system is an indispensable part. Water sprinklers will help maintain a stable moisture level for the turf. This irrigation system also helps conserve water and ensures that the grass receives the amount of water it needs to grow. Prepare the turf. Once the drainage, heating, and watering systems have been installed, the next step is to prepare the turf. Choosing the right type of grass for the climate and conditions of the field is very important. For example, in cold regions, Lolium perenne or Kentucky grass can be chosen, while in the tropics, Bermuda grass, zoysia, or paspalum are good choices. These grass varieties need about 14 months to grow from nursery to being planted on the field. Techniques to create elasticity for the turf surface. To make the turf resilient and withstand constant use, polyethylene plastic fibers are woven into the turf and subsoil. About 2 million plastic fibers will be woven 20 centimeters deep into the field, helping the grass stick firmly to the soil and enhancing the durability of the turf. Grass care and maintenance. After completing the turf, care and maintenance are very important. Because the stadium is a closed space with poor air circulation, it is necessary to install a large fan system to ventilate the field. To overcome the problem of lack of light, giant lighting rigs will be used. Combine with lighting control software to maintain consistent light intensity.